I hope this video can help some people that have this problem. There are a couple of videos on YouTube. They're slightly different variations of this oven apparently. This is an NE58F9500SS. About a year ago I put it in self-clean and it blew the thermal switch, which kills the power to the control panel. The stovetop will still work, but when it kills power to that, you cannot unlock the oven, so you have to take the rear off to disconnect the locking mechanism. There is the rear of it. Some videos say there's 8, another video said 9. Mine has 10 screws. There's 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side, 2 on the bottom, 1 on either side of that access panel. You see the holes there. And 1 on either side of where that 502409 number is. So mine has 10 screws total. Of course, we're going to make sure that the power is disconnected before we remove this rear cover. Always a good safety strategy. Once you get it off, you'll see this little black motor with a cam and a rod on it. Some of the videos vary. They say take the screws out and then take the cam off. In my situation, the locking rod covers the screw, so that's not an option. I took those 2 screws out of either side and I can't get it apart. So I just gently pried this up out of the hole. You push it forward and it'll unlock the door. You come around to the front, and excuse that it's dirty because it was in self-clean mode. From underneath, there are going to be 4 Phillips head screws that go into the control panel, and the control panel will pull off from the bottom. Basically pulls straight out. These tabs here hold it on the top. There is enough slack to gently place it on the stovetop. Just undo this one tie that holds this white bundle in place. When you look inside, there is your culprit. That is the thermal switch. It is held on with 1 screw. The part, I still have the old one, is about anywhere between $8 and $14. And this is the original one. And like I said, I thought it was a one-time deal. And you'll see on it, it'll say KSD 150LC. Because that's a generic for the setting of this. But this was the factory one. This one that I just got from Amazon in a day was 12 bucks. The number on top is a little different. I don't know what that means. And then I used a 90-degree screwdriver, which is the hardest part, to get that single screw out of the top and pull the 2 wires off that thermal switch. Once you button it back up, I would plug it in and carefully let the cam cycle. Make sure it cycles into the off position and then replace your rod. Disconnect the power again and replace the back with your 10 screws. So hopefully this will help some do-it-yourselfer fix this common problem. I will never put this oven in self-clean again, and I'll probably never buy another Samsung. I also have a Samsung refrigerator that I hate, so I will not be buying any more Samsung appliances. Hope it helps. Good night.